welcome back to another video where in this one Danielle and myself get away for an overnight camp in the North Coast region of New South Wales. We've just pulled up to camp and it's a pretty epic spot. What I'm going to do is get the drone up in the air and I'm going to send it backwards, and that should give us a pretty good perspective of where we are.
Perspective's a good word though.
Oh man, it is pretty warm, so definitely time for a beer and time for a swim, I think. Freshen up a bit. There she is, have a look at this. Hey! Have a look at this. Bloody hell, mate. That's where we're camped, just up there, and we've just got this creek here to swim in. Alright, now we're gonna see if we can get to the base of this waterfall before we run out of daylight. It's getting pretty steep all of a sudden. That's alright, we'll be right, mate. Still here. Just like that. See? Just like that. Oh. That's how you do it. Whoa, nearly bloody lost it, mate. Hey, shit. I've fallen flat on my ass a couple times now. She's pretty steep and slippery.
I've only fallen once. You've fallen like 4 times. So, rocks.
You just get down quicker, that's all. Yeah, just move that branch there, babe, and come on through, eh?
Is this safe?
Just move it out.
I feel like it's gonna fall.
I wouldn't hang on to it, but I'll just shift it to the side while you come through. Yeah, that's it.
Excuse me. I don't like this.
Steady on, babe. Oh, here we go.
Woohoo! You there yet?
Almost. Oh. Look at that moss.
Wow. It's so tall.
It's pretty cool seeing the cliff face like that from the other side. Waterfall's just coming down over there. That's bloody steep. Bloody steep coming through here. Looks like someone sent a car off the cliff. Shit. Can't park there. Can't park there. Looking pretty epic here. We're almost back up to the top, and I'll tell you what, you need to be at least medium level fitness for that one. That was hardcore. Woo! Definitely going for another swim after this.
Yeah.
Danielle left the walking stick here for the next person.
The next sucker, because that was difficult.
We spent the rest of the evening settling in, enjoying the view, and then heading to bed to get ready for the adventure of the next day. We've just woken up and hopped out of the swag. We're just getting some coffee on, and then we'll have some breakfast and pack up camp, and then we're gonna have a go at crossing this river, and we'll see what else we can see. After our morning coffee and breakfast, it was time to head off for the next adventure. Danielle left this tidy fireplace for the next person. Oh, we made it. Bloody scary when you're stopped on a river crossing like that. I just needed a bit more momentum to get up there, but we're through and we'll keep on keeping on.
Well done. Thirty
Not
seconds
even-
later.
Not even 50 meters up the road and there's another one down, but it looks like someone's done most of the work, so we might just get rid of this one and hopefully should be right. Getting really hard to see the track now, and we encountered a bog hole out there, so we're just sort of taking it easy, hoping we don't come across another one. I went to walk across one and it just sank down to almost my kneecap, so it's a bit nerve-wracking coming through here.
Bit how you going?
Supposed to be 1 more kilometre until we get to this our next stop, which we're hoping to see another waterfall, but we'll just sort of play it by ear here. Just take it easy. We'll see how we go. Looks like it might be opening up. It'd be good if it is. Might be a lockdown over there though. Hey, fucking hell. Worst place to spend your weekend. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, you can see the trail. Oh, I'm gonna run over it.
Should be able to go over this one, but the next one we might have to clear.
Yeah. Easy. Absolutely spectacular. Holy moly. This is where he's taken me for lunch. Look at this. Just as a side note, this water is the perfect temperature for swimming in. And Tom's gone to get the drone so you guys can see it properly.
Danielle's moving this one for me. It's been pretty slow going. I've had the chainsaw out a lot of times. Haven't filmed a lot of it, but every not even 50 meters there's something else that we've got to clear. So it's been a while since anyone's been down this track. That's all right. We're hoping we should be out of it somewhat soon. We've made our way out of the rough tracks and onto some more established ones, and we've just pulled over to the side of the road to this really nice campsite here, and doesn't look like anyone's here. There's a nice stream here, swimming hole. That's the road up there. Just pulled on to the other side, and there's this big open campground here. It looks really well maintained. It looks like it's walk-in only. You sort of have to come in,
Cross a bridge.
Cross the bridge over that way. But spectacular, hey?
Yeah. Drop toilets across the road.
Toilets, yeah. Place has got everything.
Yeah. I can't believe how empty. The whole place is absolutely empty.
Actually, we haven't come across anyone on this whole trip, have you?
No, no one.
Not yet.
No one. Look at this.
Pretty cool, hey? Yeah, toilets and stuff there. It's a road there, and we just parked over that way. Yeah, that was a good find.
Yeah.
It was here we decided to pump up the tyres and make for the final journey home. And what great timing that would turn out to be. Pumping up the tyres, mate.
Heading back to the real world.
Yeah, back to that 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And as always, thank you for watching. This one with the white face.
Looks so bothered. Oh, look at him, yeah, look. Ooh. He was not happy with that car.
He doesn't like it.
Hey guys, excuse us. Well, not him, watch out for him. He's got a frown on his face. Oh.
What are we doing?